Well, if you suffer from painful varicose veins, getting rid of them is easier than ever. Here to tell us about some of the newest technology around is Dr. Tif Siragusa from Siragusa Vein and Laser. Great to see you.
Hey,
Welcome
thanks,
to the
Casey.
show.
Thank you.
You know, I think this is great because a lot of people don't know just how easy it can be to get rid of those veins that they may have had for years and years and years.
Right.
So why should somebody choose Siragusa Vein and Laser?
Well, that's a great question. You know, over the last year or so, there have been several places that have opened up that treat this condition. It can be very confusing for people who suffer from varicose veins in selecting the appropriate doctor. I'm a board-certified vascular surgeon. I've been treating vein disease for over 8 years, and each patient is personally evaluated by me from the start to the finish of their treatment.
And the before and afters we're seeing right here on the screen are amazing, and this is a typical result.
Yes, these are very typical results. Now, these results are dependent on getting the right diagnosis, and the diagnosis of vein disease is made primarily using an ultrasound and physical examination of the legs.
Okay, so you've got the cutting-edge technology that gives people these results. Talk a little bit about that.
Right. So our center offers both laser and radio frequency when it comes to treating varicose veins. These are two modalities that help in treating the circulation problem, which is a refluxing vein that leaks. So either of these options can be used to seal off a leaky vein. We also offer all forms of treatment for spider veins, including sclerotherapy, ultrasound-guided foam sclerotherapy, and laser therapy.
Okay, and we were talking a little bit earlier. I didn't realize how quickly you can see results. In fact, you said even the night of your procedure, folks can start feeling better.
Right. What causes this problem is that the veins in the legs have valves in them, and when those valves stop working, instead of getting blood out of the legs, blood just builds up and pulls up in the legs, causing them to swell and ache. The treatment consisting of laser or radio frequency ablation seals off the leak, and so by the time the patient gets up and goes home and enjoys the rest of their day, they already are noticing that their leg feels better and has more energy.
Isn't that wonderful? Now, a lot of people may wonder, does insurance cover the treatment of vein disease?
Yes, that's a great question. Now, vein disease, really, you can think about it in two flavors. Spider veins, that are the small, flat, purple, red veins on legs, and varicose veins, which are the ones that bulge out that tend to cause symptoms.
Okay.
Now, most insurances don't cover spider vein treatment. That's considered cosmetic. But people who have varicose veins who suffer from swelling, achy legs, itchiness, or even wounds, insurance does cover the evaluation and treatment of that problem.
That's good news to a lot of people.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks so much for being here. A lot of great information.
Thank you.
Hey, Siragusa Vein and Laser has 2 convenient locations in Hermitage and in Nashville. To find the one nearest you, call 615-884-7600, or you can get more information online at nashvilleveinandlaser.com. Also, the first 25 callers today will receive a free screening and ultrasound, so just call the number right there on your screen.